horse riding time. Yay! Hey, I'm in a car right now with my friend Yanis.
Hey!
Yeah, so it's about an hour's drive. I'm so excited. I've been there once. This is our second time. Let's go! Hey, we're here! Finally! It's a long ride. Anyway, so today we are going to ride with other people, which means not just two of us. So I'm not sure if I can get like really good footage, but hopefully I can make some good videos so you guys can see. So if you want a private ride, you probably want to come here during the week. Less busier. So he said the owner told me usually Saturday and Sunday is always group ride. So let's go. Oh, Brace.
First, yeah. G'day.
Hi, Brace. How's the life here?
It's good.
Still
Wouldn't
good?
work anywhere else.
Yeah, right?
I love my job.
I know. What's the good thing about working here?
Best thing, horses.
Horses,
Yeah.
for sure. 100%.
No worries.
I actually found that all the animals, they are camera shy. So if I just walking, like just me without camera, they are okay. But if I take my camera with me, they are kind of like stay back a bit. Don't be shy. So cute. This is my childhood toy. I'll show you guys how to play. Look at yourself. Oh. I played this when I was a kid. I have a backyard. I can walk. What? That's my toy when I was a kid.
Are you serious?
真的啊，而且我和我妹两个人都一起站上去，然后有一次我妹就整个这样上面滚下来滚一圈，然后我就大哭。她就说 sit comfortably.
So cute. Oh, okay, keep going. Yeah, I get it.
It's like don't stop. Safety is the first thing we concern, so handle. Thank you.
What's the name of the horse again? So
Tassie.
Tassie?
Cassie.
Hi, Tassie.
This one a bit longer.
If he does that, just put your hands forward.
Come on, dog, move.
We're ready to go.
And marketing was like a creative side of business.
think that the horse is quite sexy. Look at this. Look at that. He's checking my YouTube channel. The best.
Subscribe. 253.
Yes, I just got another subscribers.
Stopping, guys.
You hear the sound? So nice.
Terribly. Take a second.
We're back to the farm.
Looking forward and swing your right leg over front.
Thank you. Like, run away from me immediately. Bye bye. It's not happy. It's not happy.
Squeegee just for horse.
It's just a normal window squeegee. but
Already? That's so cool.
You can get them just for horses.
Yo, dinner time. That was a really nice horse riding. And now we get burger. Burgers. It's a very famous burger place that's called Alfred Kitchen. Anyway, I can't wait. I'm starving. Look at that. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are in Perth, remember find a time to go horse riding. 100% worth it. So good. See you guys soon. Bye.
Not dressed for the occasion.
Cute. How's everything here?
Oh, everything's wonderful. Business as usual.
Oh, nice.
Fresh air, sunlight, beautiful horses, country.
So good, so good.
Doggies.